Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Cronometer and Yazio. In order to do so, here we are in the App Store for iOS, and let's go ahead and take a look at Cronometer first. With 4.7 average ratings out of 8.8 thousand ratings, Cronometer is definitely a popular app with a strong user base. 100 plus million users. It is the leading nutrition tracking app, and you can easily track your calories and macros with trusted lab analyzed food database. Support for any diet from vegan to keto, trusted by health professionals everywhere, and you can sync up with your devices, apps, and Apple Watch. Modify your diary with custom groups, and you can even use a barcode scanner in order to track your food. So, Chronometer definitely is a good looking app. The response from the community is very positive. Let's go ahead and compare this with Yazio, which also hovers around the same amount of users with the same ratings. The Chronometer ratings are slightly better, and also they have slightly more ratings logged, but you're definitely getting a quality app with Yazio as well. It helps with your fasting, helps with counting calories and your weight loss journey. Has recipes and meal plans that you can take advantage of, and tools to help you with your intermittent fasting with over 20 plus fasting plans. With new recipes weekly, you can reach your goal with Yazio, and there are more than 50 million happy users. So, when comparing these two apps, which one comes out on top? Well, Chronometer definitely has a slight edge, but that's not to say that Yazio is not a good app. Go ahead and try them both out if you wish. See which one appeals to you the most. If you want to just go with the ratings, then you might be looking at Chronometer, but there's a lot of different reasons why the ratings might be where they are. And at the end of the day, you can try out the apps and see which one works better for you. Sometimes it comes down to subscription costs, so you could see how much that costs in your area. Good chance that you have a free version here to take advantage of. It does appear that there is a free app subscription that you can take advantage of. But in order to gain access to all of the premium features, as is typical, then you are going to need to get that subscription. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.